Oh, hello. Okay, let's drag these in, I guess. It's a little bit heavier than I thought it would be, so okay. It's okay. Hi, how are you? Okay, so basically this is my office space right now, and I would be completely fine if it were to stay like this for the rest of time. But a couple days ago, I accidentally spilt some water on the keyboard. You can't see it. It's a gaming keyboard. It's basically my husband's, but he is letting me use it because he already has his own. So he gifted me his keyboard, and I was drinking water out of my cup. Obviously, what else are you gonna use to drink water out of? Anyway, so I was drinking water and it kind of spilled on the keyboard, and I used a paper towel to clean it out. I turned the keyboard upside down. I tried my best to make sure the keyboard was gonna make it out fine, but decided to not do that for me, and it just stopped working altogether. And then the mouse wasn't working for whatever reason, mainly because some of the keys were stuck. Evan was looking at it, couldn't figure it out because I literally damaged and broke his keyboard. It's expensive gaming keyboard. So that kind of prompted us into looking into buying a new keyboard for me, which we ended up buying a new mouse, a mouse pad, and we're like, why not just transform this whole space altogether, because we're already buying, you know, other stuff because I broke it. While there's a reason to this transformation, I've been wanting to have like a different, you know, space to work at and look at, something that's just more bright and happy. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. So I guess we should get started because it is already 8:41, and that's not really late, but gotta wake up early tomorrow to pick up my parents from the anyway, I gotta wake up early to pick up my parents for the but I gotta wake up early to pick up my I don't know what words I'm saying right now. But I have to wake up early to pick up my parents from the airport, so yeah, I should probably get started on this process now. Okay, we have a blank space, a blank page, a clean slate here to work with. We just gotta build the desk and put all the new equipment and everything else in here. Say hi, Penny. She's camera shy. It's fine. But yeah, so we're like a quarter of the way done. Probably less than that because I feel like that didn't take too long to get everything out there, but I guess now it's time to bring everything in and start with the transformation. Hello. Okay, these are the desk boxes. They're probably sturdy enough for me to sit on, but this is what we're gonna be starting out with. Is obviously the desk is the foundation, so it's probably gonna be the hardest part, honestly. So here is the finished space. I know I'm literally sitting directly in front of it, but here it is. It doesn't really look that extravagant, but it is actually a huge change for me. I don't know. I think the space feels a lot more open, even though it's like in a small corner of the bedroom. Feels like I have a lot more creative openness. I don't think that's a thing, but that's how I feel inside. So this chair keeps squeaking, not that you can really hear it squeak. Most of the furniture in this room is like white and like gray with like accents of black and like pops of color. So that's kind of what I was going for. There's still a few things that I want to add. The wall above my monitor is pretty empty, so I still have to figure out what to put there, but that will be a different day just because I feel like I accomplished a decent amount. For right now, this is what it looks like. This is probably what it will stay looking like for the next few months, just because Evan and I are looking to move to a different apartment soon. We just want to get our own place, because right now we're living with my parents just to get our footing off of the ground since we just moved here to California. Yeah, let me just stop moving like this. It's probably really annoying. Okay, so I bought the desk, the keyboard, the mouse pad, a couple of other things from Amazon just because I knew that it would ship here fast, and I wanted to kind of get this office transformed as quick as possible just because I didn't love what it was looking like before this. So got my stuff from Amazon. The decor was from Home Goods, Target, Amazon, just like various places, and some of the things like I already had, so I just kind of rearranged my room and put it in the office area. Because of the way things have been going on for the past year, it looks like I'm just gonna keep working from home, and so many other people are working from home, so I was just kind of taking this as an opportunity to just update my little at-home workspace, at-home office. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks a lot better than before. This chair keeps squeaking. Please stop. Okay. Everything is a lot more put together. Before, everything was just kind of like hand-me-downs and just thrown together in the corner of the room, which I was happy that I at least had a space to work with. But now I have a more professional setting and just personalized setting that I can plop myself in. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful, cute little mini transformation. I'm planning on doing more room transformations in the future, but probably something to do with my closet, because that's a whole nother situation that is pretty rough right now. It's a little rough. That's going to be a challenge to do that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video if you really liked it. If you didn't like it, if you absolutely hated it, still like it. I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye, friends.